Hi, I'm Theon and I'm from Greece, and I came here to Istanbul to Elite Hair to do my hair transplant. I just did my transplant and today is the second day. I had no pain during the operation. It was totally painful, and the operation was about 5 or 6 hours and then I had to wait like 2 hours after the operation for any problems that may come, but nothing happened. So yeah, it's totally fine. The documentation was really nice. Everyone speaks English and I can communicate very well. And the doctors, everyone's so polite. Today, as I said, is the second day, and I also did hair micropigmentation as the doctor recommended to me, because it was not so easy to have a transplant in the crown of my head and like here, and I'm very happy for it, because at the beginning I was I had many doubts, but yeah, it looks very natural. That was my only concern. So yeah. And today they also gave me this band to stop swelling, and I have to use it for the next 3 days. They also gave me a hat because of the rain or whatever the conditions are outside of the buildings, and so I can protect my hair transplant so nothing goes wrong. And now I'm waiting for the results to come, and I'm very happy for it. Bye!